You have seen that Instagram story, right? The guy who wakes up at 9:30, cracks open his laptop, sips an iced coffee, and makes a quick $1,000 in 10 minutes. Then he posts a picture saying, "Done for the day." You've seen it. And then you sit there thinking, man, what is his strategy? Which indicator is he using? Is it RSI, MACD, or is there some secret Discord server that I do not know about? Listen, let me keep it real with you. Let me tell you the truth that no core seller will ever tell you. He does not have a magic strategy. If I gave you that exact same strategy, the same setup, the same entry point, you would still lose money. Why? Because the market does not move on charts. The market moves inside your head. Trading is not a game of charts. It is a game of emotions. This is not a war against the market. This is a war against yourself. Today, we are going to put the charts, candles, and technicals to the side. Today, we are going to talk about the one thing that actually decides if you will be a millionaire in 5 years or if you will blow your entire account. Today, we are talking about trading mindset. I want you to imagine a situation and let me know in the comments if this has happened to you, because it has happened to me 1,000 times. The market opens at 9:30. You see a perfect setup. Everything looks right. You take the entry, but the market reverses just a little bit and you get stopped out. Let's say you lost 50 bucks. Now logic says, okay, I took a loss. It is part of the game. Close the laptop, come back tomorrow. But your brain screams at you. No way, a $50 loss. I need to recover this right now. How did the market take my money? My analysis cannot be wrong. You immediately take a second trade without a setup, just for revenge. And that trade goes into the red too. Now the loss has gone from $50 to $150. Now the game changes. Your heartbeat gets faster. Your hands start shaking a little. You think, if I just catch one big pump, I can break even and get out. You increase your position size. You double down. You use max leverage. By the time the closing bell rings at 4 p.m., you have wiped out half of your trading account. You stare at the screen with a blank mind, full of regret, thinking, I wish I had just walked away after that first loss. I've been there. I've had sleepless nights because of this. I used to beat myself up because I blew my tuition money or my paycheck in a single day. That is why I'm not talking to you as a guru today. I'm talking to you as a friend who has been in the trenches. That loss you took, it did not happen because of the strategy. It happened because of psychology. It happened because you could not control your emotions. See, the formula for success in trading is simple. It's 20% strategy and 80% psychology. The problem is that new traders spend 99% of their time looking for that 20% strategy. Think of it like this. If I give you a Formula One car, a Ferrari, meaning I give you the best strategy in the world, but you do not know how to drive, what is going to happen? You will crash at the first turn. You're going to get hurt. But if I give an expert driver, someone with a strong mindset, a beat-up old sedan that barely runs, he might get there slowly, but he will reach the destination without crashing. In trading, your mindset is the driving skill, and the strategy is just the car. You guys keep changing cars. Today this indicator, tomorrow that influencer, the next day some signal group, but you are never learning how to drive. As long as the driver is unskilled, it doesn't matter how expensive the car is, you are going to crash. So where does the mindset go wrong? There are 3 demons, 3 enemies living inside your head. Let's break them down. The first enemy is greed. Greed does not come when you are losing, greed comes when you are winning. You thought, I will take 50 bucks and get out. The target got hit, but your brain said, wait, the trend is strong, maybe it will go to 100. The market gave you 100. Your brain said, today is a jackpot, we are going to the moon, let's go for 200. And then the same thing happens that always happens. The market reverses instantly. Your $100 profit becomes 0 or it turns into a loss. Greed did not let you exit. The money was on the table, but you could not take it. The second enemy is fear. This is the opposite of greed, the fear of losing. You took a trade. The market went down a little bit. You got scared and booked a loss early. You panicked. And the moment you exited, the market rocketed in your direction. Then you sit there holding your head. Why did this happen? Because you were afraid of losing money. You were trading with scared money, money that you could not afford to lose. The third and most dangerous enemy is hope. In normal life, hope is a good thing. Hope keeps the world spinning. But in trading, hope is poison. It's deadly. When your loss is getting bigger, your setup has failed. Your stop loss is hit, but you are not exiting. You are staring at the screen praying, God, please save me just this once. If the market comes back to break even, I promise I will get out. Remember this, the market does not care about your hope. The market is ruthless. It doesn't know you have rent to pay. It doesn't know you have bills. The moment you start hoping, realize that you are no longer a trader, you have become a gambler. So the question is, how do we fix this? How do we build a strong mindset? The solution is, think like a casino, not a gambler. Have you ever wondered why the house always wins? Does the casino owner know which number will come up on the next spin, red or black? No, they do not know. But they know that if they spin the wheel 1,000 times, the math is in their favor. They know the probability. A professional trader never thinks about a single trade. He thinks in batches of 20 trades. New people think, will I make a profit or loss on this trade? A pro trader thinks, out of the next 20 trades, even if I lose 10 of them, I will still be profitable because my risk management is on point. Look, if you have a quarter, you know there's a 50% chance of heads. If you flip it and get tails the first time, are you going to cry? No, you know that if you flip it 100 times, heads will show up 50 times. Trading is the same. Your strategy works 60% of the time? Great. That means out of 10 trades, you will lose 4 times. It's guaranteed. Write it down. So when that loss happens, don't treat it as a failure. Don't abuse yourself. Treat it as a business cost. Just like a business owner pays rent, pays for electricity, pays staff salaries, in the same way, a loss is your operating expense. The day you accept losses with a smile, that is the day you become profitable. There is one more disease spreading everywhere these days: FOMO, fear of missing out. We get jealous seeing other people's profits. We scroll through social media and it feels like everyone is balling out and I am the only idiot here. Man, my friend made $500 today. I made nothing. The market moved and I just watched it. Listen, chill out. Everyone's journey is different. You don't know how many years that guy lost money before making that $500. Or maybe he just got lucky, and luck does not last on Wall Street. Comparison is the thief of joy. If you don't find a trade today, don't trade. Don't force your way into the market. Remember, no position is also a position. The market will open tomorrow, it will open the day after. It is not running away. But if you blow your capital today because of FOMO, then tomorrow when the real opportunity comes, you will not have any money left to trade. You will only have regret. Okay, enough motivation, enough stories. Let's talk about action. If you genuinely want to fix your mindset, you have to follow these 3 steps starting today. This is your homework. If you cannot do this, then quit trading. Step 1. Define your stop rule. Learn from the casino. Set a daily loss limit. Let's say your account is $1,000. Your daily risks should be $20 or maybe $30 max. The moment that loss limit is hit, close the laptop, turn it off, leave the room. No revenge trades, no saying, I will make it back. Your goal is not to make money. Your goal is to protect your capital. You can only fight another day if you survive today. Step 2, the why journal. People make trading journals, but they only write numbers. Bought at 200, sold at 220. This will not fix your mindset. You need to write what you were feeling at that moment. Was your heart beat fast when you took the trade? Did you get angry when you lost? When you write your emotions on paper, those emotions leave your brain. You will start seeing patterns like, oh, I always lose money after 11 a.m., or I always get scared when I size up. Try this for 1 week and your trading will change. Step 3, visualization. This will sound a little weird, but pro athletes do this. Before the market opens in the morning, close your eyes for 2 minutes and imagine that you are going to lose today. Yes, you heard me right. Imagine your stop loss getting hit, and then imagine that you are accepting that loss calmly, without getting angry, without smashing your mouse. When you accept the worst case scenario in your head beforehand, when it actually happens, you won't be scared. You will remain calm. Friends, I will just say this last thing. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not a lottery ticket. It is a serious business, a tough profession. Doctors study for 8 years. Engineers study for 4 years. Why do you think you will master this in 2 months? Give yourself time. Be kind to yourself. Work on your mindset. The strategy will start working automatically. Money is not made by strategy. Money is made by sitting, by waiting, by patience, by discipline. I know this video was long, but if you are still listening, it means you are serious. You are not part of the 90% who just scroll through short videos hoping to change their life. You have that fire in you. I am giving you a challenge. For the next 30 days, stop chasing profit. Forget about the profit. Chase the process. Did you follow your rule? You won, even if you lost money. Did you break your rule? You lost, even if you made money. Write in the comments section, I am a disciplined trader. This affirmation sends a signal to your brain. I will read every single comment. If you like this deep dive and you want me to make a detailed video on exactly how to make a trading journal, smash that like button. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.